Okay guys, so welcome. Today I want to show you a very native way of cooking beans. Okay, to start off with, I have to wash the beans very well. I like to wash it twice and parboil it. How about parboil it is inside the boiling water. I just add the washed beans and allow it to boil more for about 1 minute. I will save it out, rinse it again before transfer it into the pot to start cooking. Add some salt and see me adding this stainless spoon or fork. It's just a habit. I feel it aids the beans to cook faster. Okay, having set that aside, I start to grill my plantains. I just add it in my grill pan and cover on a very low heat, very low heat. Okay, that aside too, here my beans is almost done. Like, it's not almost, it's already done. So I went ahead to add some fish. I was just being careful not to add a very little fish because I had someone that doesn't like fish that was going to eat these beans. And I also went ahead to toast my baby shrimps, which I'm going to keep aside. Now the plantain is ready. I grate them in badges. So now I sliced it, ready to be transferred into my pot of beans. But then I'll still keep it aside. It's time to prepare the sauce. Inside my pan, I add the red oil, and after that I go ahead with some onions and the toasted shrimps. I start to fry on a very low heat. I went ahead to add some pepper mix, fresh pepper rather, and some salt. Fry it on a low heat for about 1 minute or more, depending on how done you want your onions to be. And I add some crayfish. Yes, and now it's time to mix everything together. This is a very native way of cooking beans, guys. I have so many native delicacies on my list that I've already lined up. I bet you have to join me. Follow me on this page to stay tuned, and please kindly like this video. Yes, drop a lovely comment. All right, so after I've mixed everything, now this is otaze. Yes, I added a pinch of otaze to give it another yummy taste. And now I've mixed everything together. Our beans is ready. Guys, try this beans. This is pure Anambra way of cooking beans. I actually learned this at home. I haven't seen this method anywhere else aside in Igbo land. Roasted plantain or grilled plantain in beans. Okay, here this is me packaging it to give to some people. Yeah, as Mother Teresa where I be. And I enjoyed it too. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hope to see.